Hey, folks, and welcome to week 4 of Online General Stats. A handful of updates this week. So, you just finished your first Chapter 1 summative assessment. And if you qualify, you could retake it this week. So, let me first talk about how the retake process works. Remember, retakes, you can only earn up to 85% of the actual score. So you cannot max out on that. So if you've received already an 85 or higher on the exam, you would not retake this test because it wouldn't make any sense. And again, you can only earn up to 85% of the original points. Now, to retake, you first need to go onto Skyward and make sure you have no missing assignments for Chapter 1. If there's any missing assignments, you already forfeit from the retake. To do the retake, what you want to do is just follow the steps here. Go to the end of Chapter 1 and read the steps. Basically, you're going to want to do the relearning, which is in your note packet. Complete that relearning, and then you're going to upload the relearning to this relearning assignment here. Inside this relearning assignment will also be the posted answers to that. That is your first ticket for that one. Now, your next step is you need to sign up for a win session. We should be having 2 win sessions this week, so please sign up for one. If you want me to lock you in, you can email me and I can lock you into one. Step 3 then is to make sure your relearning has been uploaded as a ticket. If it's not uploaded, you do not qualify to retake. But step 3, come into the win session and you will take your exam. You can have a pencil and a calculator. And again, you can earn no more than 85% of the original test. So let me know if you have questions on any of that process for the retake. Now, if we look at what we're coming up to now, it's Chapter 2. So I will move Chapter 1 to the bottom of our screen, though. Chapter 2 is about counting principles, and you actually do have a deadline this week. If you click on in here, you're going to notice the deadline is shown right here. It's this Thursday by 3 p.m. So this Thursday by 3 p.m., you must have Section 2.1 completed. In addition, that is the deadline for the retake also. So we have 2 deadlines this week. Now, if we take a look ahead really quickly, you're going to see some other upcoming deadlines on the calendar. So if you're interested about that, please do take a look. You do have a chapter test coming up in about a week and a half or 2 weeks from this last Thursday here for Chapter 2. As you notice here, Chapter 2 is a fairly short chapter. Let me know if you have any questions in your learning. But that really is about it. The other thing I do want to mention, though, is actually notifications. I know some people, when I did the update post, you emailed me and said, where do I find it? Well, you should have watched the introductory video on the first week of school talking about you want to sign up for notifications. Go up here to notifications, and what I would do is subscribe to the course update post. Also subscribe to comments on my posts. You might want to assignment submissions. I get updates on that. If I make comments on any assignment submissions that don't get full credit, you could get emailed on those too. So be really thoughtful on what you want to subscribe to so that you get email notifications. If you don't, then you need to be checking the update posts every day. And I don't think you would need to necessarily do that. Also, it is expected, though, that you are checking your email every day because this is an online course. So make sure you're doing the real online things that are a little bit different from a brick and mortar class. Anyway, have a good week 4 and let me know if you need anything. Bye-bye.